My name is Chaitanya. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I am recently completed my graduation in Srinivasa Institute of Technology and Management Studies at Chittoor in the stream of ECE in 2023. After my graduation, I am looking for a good embedded training institute in Bangalore. So I got to know about IIES in Bangalore. After immediately I joined in IIES. I got to know many knowledge on C++, data structures, embedded systems 8051 and Python and Linux. Placement provides me multiple opportunities, which is to clear in ChipTest Engineering Private Limited in Chennai with a package of 3 LPA. I thankful to the IIS staff and management which helps to start my career and highly recommended.